Guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to start new chat and create new projects in Claude AI. If you're using Claude AI and you want to start a new chat or if you want to create new projects, so let's see how can do that. So in your Claude, basically what happens that whenever you try to open your Claude, you might see that you are still in a single chat, or sometimes it might be that the sidebar is hidden, so you are unable to create a new chat. So there's an option to create a new chat and to save your recent or your past chat. You just have to click on this icon here to open sidebar. Now once you open sidebar, you must see your recent chats over here. You can select any chat if you want to, or you can create a new chat by clicking on this new chat. Just click on it. Now you are in a new chat. You just have to start a new conversation with Claude AI. You can also try to switch between models from here if you want to. Now, if you want to create projects or if you want to use projects, so you just have to click on this projects option. Here you might see your projects. If you have any projects, so you might see that here. If you don't have, just click on this new project option here. And here you just have to enter your new project. So let's say I'm gonna enter here's a name, and here you have to about enter the about description of your project. Now once you have done, you just have to click on this create project option. Now your project has been successfully created. You can add all chats in your project, or if you have any recent chats and you want to add that in your project, so you just have to click on these three dots and then click on this add to project option. Just select the project which you want, just click on it, and your chat will be saved in your project. Just click on it, and here you will be able to see your chats. So in this way, you can easily create a new chat, and you can also create and use projects in Claude AI. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.